Hi everyone, it's Juliet here. Hi. How are you doing today? It's a lovely day. I'm sitting here on this bench in the rain. It's a beautiful, gentle rain, but no wind, not like the other day when I was on the beach. So it's completely quiet and no wind, a little light rain, but it's not cold. It's really fabulous. I was amazed when I came outside and found that it was really warm. Not really warm, but you know, not cold and horrible like it has been. So it was really gentle and lovely. And I've been indoors all day. I was doing a craniosacral session and then doing some admin, and thought that I'd pop out for a while and just have a walk. There's lots of birds here. Can you hear them all? They're all chattering away to each other. So just show you. Yeah, so this is one of the nature reserves on the Somerset Levels, Westhay, and it's famous for its waterfowl. And this is where the starlings come. So there's lots of ducks, swans, different things here behind the rushes. I can just see them swimming through the rushes, behind the rushes. So yeah, these are really, really ancient places. There used to be lake villages out here in Neolithic times. There are walkways, tracks through the wetlands, and people used to live out here in roundhouses and used to have canoes made out of hollowed out logs that they used to move. They used to travel through the waterways or walk on the walkways. So there have been people living here for a very long time. And it's one of my favourite places to come to. There are really long walks out here and nature reserves. So you can hear the rain falling. So magical to hear all the birds and just to have that kind of soothing feeling. And I just wanted to share the importance of taking care of your nervous system at the moment. It's a bit like the world has gone insane, like we're in a global psychosis. Everybody's fighting with each other, and everybody's in a state of fear. Well, not everybody, but lots of people are. So if you don't want to go insane, then just take care of your nervous system and take time out for yourself. And just allowing yourself to settle and for your nervous system to return to normal, back within its window of tolerance. Because when we get highly activated... Hi Ziv, I haven't seen you before. I hope I've said your name correctly. Hi. So when our nervous system gets outside of its window of tolerance, when we get into fight or flight, or if we can't escape, then we go into parasympathetic shock and then shut down. It's really quite startling when somebody goes into shutdown. A bit like when you see a possum playing dead, they're in shutdown. And when we're in shutdown, we can't do anything. We feel overwhelmed and full of fear. And when we go into shutdown, then our immune system turns off, as well as our critical thinking. So once we get into a state of fear, then we're very vulnerable to manipulation and control. And we are being manipulated through all the media at the moment, all the mainstream media, the TV, the BBC in England, CNN in America, all these channels are manipulating us, as well as the newspapers, putting us into a state of fear. And they're all advised on how to do that by the Behavioural Insights team, or the psychological mind control teams. So it's the Behaviour Insights team known as SAGE in the UK. And they advise our governments how to make us as fearful as possible. So if you don't want to go down that track, then you need to manage your nervous system and to take time out and to manage your health through making sure that your nervous system is well regulated and your immune system is turned on. So it's really important that we can take control of our own health. And yeah, we're sovereign beings. We're sovereign beings, and we can take care of our own health by managing our nervous system and our immune system, by reaching out and making a connection with people. Human beings need physical contact and connection. We're hardwired for contact. You know what that means? It means that we're designed to work together as a tribe, and that if one person goes into a panic, then everybody does. And if we can be with somebody that helps us to feel safe, then, you know, if their nervous system is regulated and they start to feel safe, it's safe for you to be with them. So we need that soothing contact from each other, and then our immune systems work just fine. We don't need pharmaceutical drugs and interventions and all those kind of things at that time, because we know how to take care of ourselves. And there are some amazing things in nature to help us. So I can hear a helicopter going over. Nothing's completely peaceful, but it's so lovely sitting here in the rain. Hi, Richard. It's so lovely being here in the rain, and yeah, I'm just thankful for this opportunity and grateful. So is there something you're thankful for today? We have to keep focusing on what we're thankful for and the gifts that we have and the health that we have, and focusing on our health. Arena, hi. Yeah, focus on our health and our wellness and our well-being and our friends, our loved ones. I'm so happy that I've got lots of really, really good friends. And I'm here to support my friends. There's some people walking up the track, also walking in the rain. I'm not the only mad one. So is there somewhere nice for you to go out to today? Is it raining near you or not? So if you can get out, yeah, do take a break, because that's what keeps us sane. It's just like turn off the TV. For the love of God, turn off the TV and stop looking at the newspapers. And it's gone all blurry, so I don't know if that's because of rain or my lens. Yeah, if you want to stay sane and not be swept up into the global psychosis, turn off your TV and take some time out and meditate and take care of your health and your well-being. So I've only got a few minutes, my battery is really low, but I just thought that I would check in with you. So let's just spend a moment together in this moment, right now, a moment in this moment, a moment inside time. Let's just take a breath together. And a long out breath. And knowing that long out breath is what actually regulates our nervous system, because it turns off the adrenaline. I'm feeling our bottom on the seat where we're sitting, or our feet on the ground. And just spend a moment to tune in to the nature here with me. I'm inviting you. So just spend a moment to tune into the beauty of this place. And taking another breath. And a long out breath. And just allowing yourself to settle in this moment into the beauty of these surroundings here. Hi Irina. Yeah, just we can all help each other stay sane. So we've got the skills, you can learn the skills. That's what I'm teaching in my trauma skills training, how to help each other and to help ourselves. So taking another breath and another long out breath. Know that you are a divine being, quite unique. And you are sovereign, you are a sovereign being. And you're a part of nature. And nature is divine, nature is intelligent. And so just to trust in that, trust in yourself, trust into your own divine nature in this moment. Taking another breath and a long out breath. Just allowing your heart to settle. And to notice where in your body you feel comfortable in this moment. Finding that place of comfort and well-being. Could be a warm spot in your body, or a place where you feel relaxed, or warm, or grounded. Just noticing where that is in your body in this moment. And resting your awareness into that feeling of comfort and well-being. Just giving it permission to expand. And taking a breath into that. And a long out breath. And anchoring yourself into this feeling of comfort. Into the feeling of your bottom on the seat. Grounding yourself into where you're sitting or where you're standing. And just giving permission for any stress just to drain from your body in this moment. That we're all here. We're all here together. We're all connected. And we can help and support each other. And we are intelligent. At a core level, we know what the truth is. We know the difference between truth and insanity. So even if things around you seem insane, just anchor into your own inner sanity, your own inner intelligence. So noticing again that comfortable place in your body. And just letting it expand some more. Just settling into that. In that grounded, deep connection with yourself. And feeling the energy of this beautiful place where I'm sitting. And know that there's no separation between us. that we're all attuned in this moment. Whether you're watching now or later, we're all attuned. There's no separation in the divine. So giving thanks in this precious moment. Giving thanks to God, Goddess, the creator of all life, the creator of my life. Giving thanks to everyone here that's watching and sharing this. Giving thanks to you. Giving thanks to me and all of nature. May all beings be happy. May all beings be well. And may all beings be free from suffering. Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Sending you lots of love. Do reach out if you need some help or some information. See me on my Telegram channel. Or whatever you need, reach out. There's lots of help for you. Have a most blessed and beautiful day. Bye for now.